Namaskare Bundus, this is Tanya, welcome back to my brand new vlog. So guys, right now I am at Millennium Park. So here we have come for the Kolkata Heritage River Cruise, and in this vlog I am going to tell you three offbeat places actually that you can come and visit in Kolkata.
Will you believe if I tell you that it is possible to take a 90-minute, that is 1 hour 30-minute ride on a river cruise just for as little as rupees 39? But it's reality, guys. Now you can take a tour of our City of Joy Kolkata just for 39 on this cruise. It is a double-deck cruise, so you can sit up or you can sit down and enjoy the beautiful view. You can see the Howrah Bridge passing just above you, and it's spectacular, guys, like a must thing to watch. Oh god, just look at the sunset and the Howrah Bridge. It's magical, isn't it? I had a really good time not only watching Howrah Bridge and sunset, but also you get to watch some other historically important landmarks of our City of Joy, such as Mayer Ghat in Bagh Bazar, Babu Ghat where Durga idols were immersed, Vidyasagar Setu, Nimtala Ghat where several eminent personalities have been cremated, and of course the magnificent, the spectacular Ganga. Also, as it's a long journey, so you have this in-house cafe where you can have tea, patties, pastry. So don't forget to take a ride in this cruise whenever you are in Kolkata, or if you are from Kolkata. All the timings are given in my description box. Now let's go to the second spot. Oh guys, before I go to the second spot, let me tell you, if in case you don't get a ticket for the cruise, as there's always a huge rush, you can come to Prinsep Ghat and enjoy Ganga and also take boat ride. But do try to have both. It's just a bonus point. Now quickly let's go to the second offbeat place in Kolkata. The second offbeat place is this Park Street Cemetery. Yeah, it's a cemetery. It's located in Park Street area, best known for its pubs and food joints. But this cemetery was one of the largest non-church Christian cemeteries outside Europe and America. But today it's no longer in use and is a heritage site. People come here to see the beauty of this place and observe the epitaphs of people gone by. Also, you know, though the cemetery holds historical importance and is visited by many every day, it is believed to be haunted too. But guys, believe me, all I got was peace. It's just peaceful. You can walk, you can sit, and it's really beautiful to be captured by any photographer. So if you're in Kolkata and want to experience something offbeat, so this is your must-go place. Last but not the least, the third offbeat place of Kolkata, I believe, is this Kolkata Tire Park. It's been newly launched and it's located in Esplanade, and it's called as India's first tire park. It's a really unique concept and not found anywhere in the country. Idea behind the park is, you know what? It's like waste can be converted into art. So yeah, all the tires have been reused and converted into art form. It also got an in-house cafe, and the seats are also made out of tire, and everything else you can see are just out of tire, and it's really beautiful. It's really pretty.
Basically, this Kolkata Tire Park is near this Maidan tram line, and मेरे पीछे भी ट्राम है, देखो. एंड बहुत ही छोटा सा पार्क है, बस सुंदर सा है, बहुत ही वेल डेकोरेटेड है, और लोग भी इतना नहीं है. एंड यू कैन क्लिक सम गुड पिक्चर्स, टेक अ वॉक, एंड 20 रुपीज़ की ओनली टिकट है, सो इट्स रियली गुड. आई लव दिस स्मॉल प्लेस, सो या दैट्स इट.
And it's really relaxing, and all the stuff out there They come to you, they behave so well. You can have tea, you can have chips, cold drinks. You just let them know and they will bring for you. So this place is something where people can sit, relax and enjoy the craftsmanship made from tiles. Isn't it beautiful? Have you visited yet? No? Then go right now. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know which place out of these 3 you love the most and you haven't visited and would love to visit. And of course share this video if you have loved it and if you think this will be helpful for many people. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe or daba dena bell.